In the constantly evolving world of 3D cutting, Triumph is distinguished by reliable accuracy, boundless adaptability, and persistent efficiency, showcasing the pinnacle of modern engineering excellence. Welcome to the future of precision cutting. Introducing mCAM, your ultimate software for advanced 3D machine programming. mCAM's excellence is exemplified by its seamless capacity to import an extensive range of CAD formats. Whether it's STEP, IGES, IFC, DXF or NC1, mCAM ensures that your designs translate flawlessly into the real world. With mCAM, you can program cutting of an extensive range of shapes. Whether it's round pipes, rectangular pipes, H-beams, U-profiles, complex flat parts, or dished ends, you can be sure that mCAM covers the whole spectrum of your needs. mCAM's adaptability doesn't stop there. mCAM gives you the power to adjust crucial technological parameters. From kerf widths, speeds, to material thicknesses. With mCAM's macro library, you're not limited, you're empowered. Say goodbye to time-consuming CAD designing tasks and hello to more productive 3D modeling. Create highly detailed parts, intuitively. Easily apply dimensions to your cuts. Integrate holes into your models with ease. Efficiency is the key when it comes to mCAM's profile and plate nesting. Maximize your material utilization with the automatic nesting of your designs directly onto your workpieces. Once you've designed and nested your parts, mCAM lets you verify the upcoming cutting process with an advanced CNC simulation. Ensure that your designs are executed perfectly by simulating the entire NC code, giving you a crystal clear view of every cutting path in action. For those seeking deeper integration, mCAM isn't just an isolated tool. It is designed for seamless integration with CyberFat Manager, and can also directly interface with an on-site ERP system. Refine your parts with utmost precision, and unlock your full creative potential. Improve your 3D modeling experience like never before. Experience the future of manufacturing, where precision meets innovation. Empower your creativity. Elevate your efficiency. And make your mark in the world of cutting and manufacturing. This has been your first look at mCAM. For more information, contact your local MicroStep partner, or visit our website,